Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an exam or quiz in Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher preparing assessments, a trainer creating training quizzes, or just someone looking to make a simple digital test, Google Forms is an excellent tool that's both easy to use and highly effective. This step-by-step guide will help you build a professional, fully functional quiz from scratch. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive at drive.google.com. If you're not signed in, click Sign In, enter your email, your password, and you'll be ready to start. Once you're in Google Drive, click the New button in the upper left-hand corner. A menu will appear with multiple options. Scroll down until you see Google Forms and select it. From the expanded options, click Blank Quiz to start building your quiz from scratch. Next, give your quiz a descriptive name. Click on the title at the top and type in something clear and informative. This will help both you and your respondents know exactly what the quiz is about. After naming your quiz, go to the Settings tab at the top. Here, toggle on Make this a quiz. This important step enables quiz-specific features, like assigning points and marking correct answers automatically. Now, it's time to add your questions. Click the Add Question button, often represented by a plus icon. Google Forms lets you choose the type of answer for each question, including multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. Select the option that best fits the question type. Fill in your question and possible answers clearly, making it easy for respondents to understand. After that, click Answer key at the bottom of each question to select the correct answer and assign points. This ensures your quiz can be graded automatically. To make your quiz even more engaging, take a moment to customize the appearance. Google Forms allows you to change colors, themes, and fonts, giving your quiz a polished, professional look. Once everything is ready, click Publish to make your quiz live, and then use the provided share link to distribute it to your students or participants. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a fully functional, professional quiz in Google Forms quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this video helped you, share it with others who might need guidance. Why not make someone's day easier and more productive?